We're here at Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut with the 2009 Cadillac CTS. Today we're going to review the 2009 Cadillac CTS, show an exhaust clip, and even take it for a rip around the lot. Let's begin. The CTS features a 3.6-liter inline 6-cylinder engine with an output of 263 horsepower and 253 foot-pounds of torque. All this paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the CTS is a very responsive, fun-to-drive vehicle. This one features heated mirrors, 17-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, and a gorgeous exterior design. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, the CTS features power locks, power windows, as well as power mirrors, memorized seats, as well as an 8-way adjustable power driver seat. Leather wrapped steering wheel with wood grain accents. Controls for audio with the Bose clear sound system. Very clear audio system by Bose. Class-like in-dash clock. AM/FM radio as well as CD auxiliary inputs for your iPod and XM satellite radio. The CTS also features 3-zone climate control, heated driver and passenger seats, and all of the above. Hidden away cup holders, as well as an ashtray, and the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in. Even a power sunroof. Sorry about blasting the stereo, I just love this sound system. Cashmere leather with cocoa accents with wood grain. Rear climate vents. The interior isn't the only thing with a great sound system on this thing. So now we've reviewed the CTS. We've given you an exhaust clip. Now we're going to take it for a small test drive around the lot. Check it out, going out. Welcome back to the CTS. This thing drives incredibly, like you'd figure with a Cadillac. Now, if you look at my other videos, you might notice that my passenger does not hold a camera. I usually stow it between the headrests. Most cars don't have enough detail from the manufacturer to disadvantage me like this. However, Cadillac designed their headrests so they're pointed at the ends, therefore I can't store my camera in between. It's just one of those little design cues that makes a big difference in the interior to make it so beautiful. So, if you don't mind, I'm going to hold the camera and we're going to drive around the lot. 263 horsepower at my disposal. Not that we need to use it, but it is nice to have. 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Pretty average for this size of a sedan, but nevertheless, great driving car, awesome powertrain, very smooth transmission. You basically don't even feel it, and I really can't complain. Told you all about how nice the sound system is and how much I love it. I'm not going to back away from that assessment. I really do feel strongly that this is one of the best sound systems that I've ever had in a car. I really like it. I'm sure you will too if you decide to check out the CTS. If not, we have a ton of other great vehicles on our lot. We're a Ford Kia dealer out of southeastern New England. We are Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. You can reach us at 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. Visit us at columbiaford.com. We have all of our inventory on there, all the latest news with Ford and Kia vehicles. Like us on Facebook for even more news feed on what we're doing over here to make us one of the biggest dealerships in southern New England. That's Facebook, Columbia Ford, Lincoln Mercury, Kia. We really enjoy bringing you all these vehicles, the CTS no exception. Give us a call if you're interested in this or any other vehicle that you see on our page. Until then, this is Toph the Demo Dude. Thank you very much for watching and have yourself a great night. Subscribe if you liked what you saw, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments or message me. I'm Toph the Demo Dude. Thanks again for watching.